It's a different one today. No, I haven't changed profession. I'm not a hairdresser. This is not my car. This is my sister-in-law's 2006 Mazda MX5. One good thing over it, it's got the 2-litre engine in it, but just taking it for a drive and it's not as quick as I thought it would be. Trying to get it up to temperature to see what's what with it, check the levels and stuff like that. Thermostat may be dodgy because it sort of comes up to temperature and then drops off very quickly. It's yeah, it's a car. I think that's a factory option. She doesn't use it very much anymore because her husband's got another hairdresser car. But it's quite clean inside. It's convertible. You get the wet roof in the winter, you know, and it rains inside the car when you're driving, which is great. And yeah, condensation. So I'm going to service it for her because I'm bored. Oh look, she did get a kitchen towel. Called her all names under, so I'm not getting that. So oil service. What's this? Air filter. Yep, sun plug, and gonna attack the. Oh, even inside the box is wet. Ugh. Attack the drain holes on this because it gets a bit tasty in here with damp and stuff. So find out where the drain holes are. Actually, no. First things first, figure out how to get this bloody roof open. No idea. That's probably blocked as well. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Had MOT, had brakes done, like rear disc and pads, but yeah. Definitely not my cup of tea. I'm 35 this year, listen to me get into this. You can keep that. Oh, it's settled in the middle. But when you start driving, it does drop off. So I'm going to say it's got a dodgy thermostat. So yeah, we'll make a start soon. Probably unblock the drain hole plugs on the road so I don't get all the crap near my house. And then give it a service. Only 84,000 miles, it's not a lot. It's I mean, it's got, I didn't really show it, it's got some rot on the front arches, excuse me, but yeah, the inside's tidy. It's a Pepper Girl's car, isn't it? It's like you wear it. It's I know it's meant to be all sporty and stuff, but I'm only 5'7", and this is the right sort of the seat's set right for me. It's just, oh man, so you sit in it and you go get my hair done, get my nails done, you know. Yep. Health hazard too. Let's get stuck in. Alright, I was just going to do the job and then record afterwards like I normally do, but that's one pass through. Well, it was blocked in one of the drain holes. That's what it's meant to look like. This one, so they're down here, so door in here, and it's that hole there, and you sort of have to go in at this angle, almost like a 45-degree angle, and twist it. This one, clear as a bell. Bell? Whistle? You know what I mean. This one, can't even get anything in it. That's what she said. So, I need some water, and also I recommend doing this one in here. It's abstract art there on the paint list. Crispy. So let's get some water and yeah. Oh, there we got it. It's gone. Felt weird pouring water in a car. So there you go. It's drained away. You know you've done a good job. I'll leave that at that. Rolled it out as well. I'm not cleaning that out. Disgusting. Next job, service it. I'm not going to do that today because I can't be bothered. They put the engine 90 degrees out of whack there. Don't know why. Gunky. I'm going to go in now because I get my wife making a coffee and I'm not missing out.